All right, today we're going to bring some glasses accessories. This is perfect for you to be playing any kind of sports. We're here going to play pickleball right now, but unfortunately my glasses keep falling off, and it's something that I want to try to avoid. So I got this just especially for the glasses. So we're going to set it up, see how it works. So my glasses are flimsy. They fall off easily. They come off easily. They're not very strong. We're just going to add a little addition for them and see how they look and how they I feel, because I'm gonna tighten it up so they won't fall, and I don't want to break them. They're very expensive glasses. After you break them, you have to replace them, go to the doctors. It's inconvenience. So we're gonna set up an accessory just for it. All right, so I just set it up, if you guys can see it. Now you could, it's easy, it's silicone on it, cover if it's any kind of glasses that you have, metal, plastic. Now this part's the best part, so you could actually just see how I tighten them up, loosen them up, and then we're gonna put them on. We're gonna loosen them up first because I don't know how to tie my head big, you know. So put them on the back, if you guys can see it. You can loosen them up or tight it. And then you got that extra cover. You don't have to worry about it. When I set it up, we're gonna try them out with pickleball, see if they fall off. All right, so let's go ahead and do that.